Eyes only. Close your eyes only. Don't move. Close your eyes only. Open your eyes. Wow! Hi! Here. You hug mommy first. Kakagising niya lang guys, kaya umiiyak-iyak siya. And habang nagtatrabaho tayo, nag-ano tayo ng ating Bloom Balm. Check out yun na. You say check out. You say check out.
Check out.
Bloom Balm. You to kiss mommy here. Hug mommy. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't move, okay? No. Close your eyes. Only. Don't move. Close your eyes only. Close your eyes only. Don't move. Close your eyes only. Open your eyes. Wow! What will you say to mommy? Okay, you're welcome. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy first. Kiss mommy. This one, kapaliwanag ko muna. This is a happy birthday. Look at this one. Wow! Diba guys, ganyan siya ka-excited sa mga books. Yes. And this one is Baba Black Sheep. And this one is Row, row, row your boat. Old MacDonald farm. How about this one? Let's open it. This is a dinosaur. And this one is the sea. Sea. Look at this one, oh. Wow! Na-up siya, anak ko. Nalalaki yan siya ng ganyan, oh. Diba? Oh, diba? And this one is oh my God, I'm so sorry. What will you say to mommy, to all your books? You kiss mommy first. Hug mommy. Kiss baby sister. I want you to kiss mommy here, 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 here. 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 My eyes. My neck. And hug mommy so tight. You hug mommy. So guys, ang dami niyang surprise ngayon. Ito galing to sa akin. And ito kay mami. Umiyak siya kay mami kasi isa lang. Tignan mo yung binigay ng nanay sa binigay ng mami la. And ngayon naman, Daddy has surprise for you. Are you ready?
Come on.
Yes, wait. It's wrong. Are you ready for Daddy's surprise? Okay.
Yes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Amen.
This one.
Ito pa, this one pa.
Ito pa. Look.
Wow! You have a watch. You can call mommy here and daddy.
Yes.
Even nasa school ka. What will you say to daddy?
Pero wala siyang pakialam dito.
Hindi niya pa ma-appreciate yan. Ito, pakita mo.
Picture, oh.
Wow! So nice. Yung isa pa, Marisa. Wow! It's a Paw Patrol. So nice. What will you say to daddy? You kiss your dad na. Kiss your daddy.
Daddy, I say thank you.
Wow, you have a lot of surprise.